Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy and fine today. I don't know why it is. I think you all are fresh and very beautiful in front of me, sitting and waiting for the class. Am I right? But do you know me? Huh? Do you know me? I'm Shamla Miss. Okay? Did you remember the last class? Last maths class? Sauda Miss show you something and tell you something. What was the concept? Something is this much size and something is this much size. Do you know that? Huh? What we call this much size? What we call? Is it big or small? Is it big? Yes, that is this much size we call big, and this much size we call what? Small. What it is? Small. Big and small. I'll show you some pictures. Okay? Look at here. See these two leaves. See these two leaves. By comparing these two leaves, one leaf is this much size, big one, and one leaf is this much. Can you tell me which leaf is big? Which leaf is big? And which leaf is small? Can you tell me? Look at these two leaves and you tell me, okay? Yes, this leaf is big one and this leaf is small one. Okay. I think you all know that. Huh? So, you ready for the next one. Okay? Wow, this is two balls. Two balls. One ball is big one and the other ball is small one. Now tell me which ball is big one and which ball is small one. Okay, ready? You tell me. I'm not going to tell that. Okay, that ball is big one and this ball is small one. And next one, look at these two vehicles. Which vehicle is this? Is it bus? Is it car? Is this van? Yes, these are vans. Two no, so we call vans. Okay. Is this same size? No, different size. Okay, these two are different size. Which one is big and which one is small? That you tell me, okay? Which one is big one? Yes, that one is big one and the other one is small one. I know, you all know this concept. Which concept? That big one and a small one. Okay, which is the biggest animal in the world? That one black color and long trunk. Biggest animal. Is it elephant? Yes, elephant is the biggest animal in the world. Okay. Now, I think you all are ready for the next topic, next concept. Anna, ready Anna? Okay, now I am here in front of you, a lovely concept. Before that, let me tell you a story. Huh? Are you ready that? I think you all are story katha kelkan ishtale. Huh? എനിക്കറിയാം എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്റ്റോറി നല്ല ഇഷ്ടമാണെന്ന്. So, one boy, okay, one boy. His name is Tom. His name is Tom. Tom is our boy. He has a dog. He has a dog. He loves to play with his dog. Tom, every day they both, Tom and his pet dog, go into park to have some fun. Okay, every day they are going to park for some fun. കളിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ് പാർക്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ, ദിവസവും അവർ എന്താ കളിക്കാൻ പോവും. വൺ ഡേ ദേ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഫോർ വാക്കിംഗ് ടു ദ പാർക്ക്. എവിടെയാണ്, എങ്ങോട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നത്? ടു ദ പാർക്ക്. സോ ആരെയാണ് കണ്ടുമുട്ടിയത്? ഒരാൾ കണ്ടുമുട്ടി. ആരാണ്? എ ക്യാറ്റ്. ടോം ആൻഡ് ഡോഗ്, ഹിസ് പെറ്റ് ഡോഗ്, സോ എ cat. A cat. What happened next, you know? നിങ്ങൾ പറയോ, എന്തായിരിക്കും അടുത്ത സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? Okay, when the dog saw a cat, the dog started chasing the cat. What happened to the cat, you know? The cat want to save his life. രക്ഷപ്പെടണ്ടേ? So the cat ran and climbing up the tree. Okay, climbing up the tree. When he saving his life himself, suddenly he fell down. You know, he fell down. The cat fell down in the pond, the middle of the pond. You know, under that tree one pond was there. In the middle he fell down. Pavandale. Then what happened next, you know? The Tom, our boy Tom, want to save that cat's life. So എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തുക? എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തുക? നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു നോക്കി, ഒന്ന് ചിന്തിച്ച് നോക്കിയാൽ. യു തിങ്ക്, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ് ടോം ചാടോ? നോ, ഹി കാൺ ജംപ് ഇൻ ടു ദ പോണ്ട്. Then how? Tom searching here and there, then here and there, then he got a stick he saw, and he took the stick and started to save the cat's life. Can he save with his stick? No, this is not enough. This is not enough, because this one is very short. This not reach into the cat. Again he look around and he got a, yes, you know what did he get next? A long stick. What did he get? A long stick. Now Tom saved the cat's life. Okay, now cat is very happy, and Tom and dog also very happy. Okay, did you like the story? Then I want to ask you something. What did that Tom take for save that cat's life? Stick, no? First he got short one, the next he got long one. See these two sticks. When we compare these two sticks, which one is long? Which one is long? Is this or this? Yes, this is the long one. This is the long stick, and this one is the short one. Okay, this is the long and this is the short one, short stick. Okay, അടുത്തെടുക്കാൻ പോണം നോക്കൂ. See what is this? Two scales. See this two scale. Is these same size? Huh? Is this same size? No, no. Which is the long one, you know? Which is the long one? This one. Am I right? Huh? Is this the long one? And this one is the short one. This is the short one. And the next one is, okay, look at these two pencils. Two pencils, we are writing with pencils, you know. Two pencils. Now you tell me which one is long and which one is short. Is this is long? Or no? Is this long? No, this is not long. Is this long? Yes, this one is long and this one is short. When we compare this, ഇത് രണ്ടും കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് എന്താണ് this one is long and this one is short. Okay, the next one. See children, what is this? Children, what is this? The girls usually using this. That we call, എന്താ പറയുക ഇതിനെ? മാല ആണോ? മാല. This one is long or short, you tell me? Tell me, is this? Now you all knows that concept which long and short. Now you tell me, is this long? Is this long or short? Yes, you are correct. Tell me. Yes, this is long. And this one is short. Am I right? Yes. You also write long and short. Now you all knows the concept what long and short. Okay? Long and short. Once again, all of you do like this. Long. My God, this much size. Long and short. Once again, do with me, along with me. Long and short. Okay, now I am going to ask you one question. Are you ready to answer me? Yes? All listen carefully. Who will tell first? I want to see that. Okay? Okay, which one is the longest vehicle, you tell me? Who will tell first? I'll tell you one clue. That. Have you got that answer? Is it? Train. Yes, the longest vehicle is train. There is one song. Perfect train, nice little perfect train, perfect train, nice little perfect train. If you are going to the town, perfect train, please take me. If you are going to the town, perfect train, please take me. Puff, 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 puff. Okay, children, you all like this rhyme. I know that. Right? Now you all know that concept which is long and which is short. Now we have an activity. Are you ready to do that? Yes? What activity cheyala? Okay. Can you read this? Can you read this? Long. What is this? Long. What is this? Long. Okay, now I am going to paste this here. Okay. Now what is next, you know? What is this? Can you read this? Anyone read this? Shh. And her together. Shh. Short. What is this? Short. I'm going to paste this here, this side. Now, long and short. Now what we are going to do, you know that I have some strips. Okay, I have some strips. See this? 1, 2 strips. Now you tell me which strip is long. Which one is long? Is this or is this? You all sure that this is the long strip. This one is the long strip. This strip is going to work under long category. Okay, long strip is going to long category and the short strip going to short category. Okay, and the next one, which is the next one? Yeah, this color. Which color is this? Is this violet? This and this one. Which one? You tell me which one is the long and which one is the short? Yes, this one is long and this one is short. And this long strip going to here, and the short one going to under that short category. Okay, the next one, you know, the red one, red strips, this one and this one. Is this and or is this is short? Which one is short? You tell me. Is this is short? No, this is not a short. This one is short and this one is long. Can you paste this? Can you paste this? Yes, this short one coming this category, short category, and the long strip going under long category. Under the long category. Okay children, now I have some more pictures that you have to identify which one is long and which one is short. Did you like this activity? Everyone do this activity in your home. Okay? I think you all know that. Once again, shall we sit together? Okay, ready? Ready, children? Tell me. Long. The next one is short. Once again. Okay, ready? Long and short. Now we know two concepts. One is big and small, and the other one is long and short. Okay children, now my time is over. Okay, I want to go my home. Okay, now I will come next class. Okay, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.
A pencil is longer than a crayon. A crayon is shorter. A banana is longer than a pencil. A pencil is shorter.